name is Yasin Urmaz. I'm studying at İzmir Katip University, Department of Civil Engineering. Today I will talk to you about earthquakes and precaution to be taken. So, my motivation for choosing this topic because prevent loss of life in natural disasters such as earthquake. Firstly, I would like to tell you briefly how occur earthquake. Earthquake occur with various moments of friction and called fault line in uppermost layer end of the earth crush. Fault lines occur when they break under conditions like high compression, high pressure. So this natural disaster is also seen frequently in our country. In the 6.8 magnitude earthquake we recently experienced in our city. 17 buildings destroyed during the earthquake, and after it was decided to demolish 100 buildings. Our aim to prevent this damage with sismic isolators. As a solution, the sismic isolators can be used in buildings. Sismic isolator use only big buildings such as a hospital and AVM. Sismic isolator can be placed using them new buildings, and for all buildings cut the column and put here, set up here sismic isolator. This is a cost disadvantage, but since it's a technology that will prevent loss of life and property damage in the earthquake. Earthquake, it's more profitable and very safer system in the long term. Thanks for listening.